Hello, and welcome to the first lesson in my free Audacity course. Audacity is an incredibly powerful and free piece of software, capable of recording, editing, and mastering all sorts of different types of audio. Although I must admit the interface does look a little bit dated, and it hasn't really been updated a whole lot since Audacity came out in May of 2000, the interface I mean, this free piece of software still holds up surprisingly well. In fact, many people don't know this, but Audacity is still in development, with version 3.0 coming out just a month before I begin recording this course. I think that's pretty neat, considering that they rely almost entirely on donations, sponsorships, and volunteers. Anyway, you may hear Audacity referred to as something called a Digital Audio Workstation, DAW, or DAW. DAWs are pieces of software designed for the purpose of working with audio on a deep or even professional level. Technically, although it is quite basic as far as DAWs go, Audacity fits the bill. Before I talk about where Audacity falls a bit short, let me first cover some potential use cases for Audacity, and why you might want to consider using it for your next project. First of all, Audacity is wonderful for content creators. If you're recording or editing recorded dialogue, Audacity already has all the tools built in that you might need or want in order to do this without problems. For example, if you're going to be recording podcasts, even with multiple people, Audacity can handle this perfectly. If you're going to be working with video, no problem. As a matter of fact, for years, my entire process for creating my courses had me editing the video in a video editor, exporting the audio, editing it in Audacity, then putting it back to the video editor. This was for professional business courses that I sold, and the audio was perfectly fine. Many famous YouTubers record directly into Audacity due to its simplicity, even if they have more expensive or complex software available to them. I still use it to this day if I need to quickly record something. It's pretty great. If for whatever reason you want to extend Audacity's functionality, Audacity also supports the use of third-party plugins, which I'll cover in more detail in a later lecture. This means that you aren't stuck with just the tools that come built into Audacity already. Let's talk about music. Audacity for music is a bit of a hit or miss. It does support all of the basic things you would need, particularly with the use of third-party plugins. You can record and mix multiple instruments without problems. However, it is a little bit clunky to use in comparison with other DAWs, and in all honesty, if you're recording music, I would suggest you go with a program like Reaper instead, which runs for about $60. There are also areas where Audacity falls short in terms of music production, such as with the use of MIDI for working with MIDI controllers or virtual instruments, and with the more complex areas of composing, mixing, and mastering. That being said, many of the skills and concepts taught within this course will translate to other DAWs later, so you're still welcome to listen through if you'd like. Anyhow, before we begin, I want to discuss briefly how to use this course. This course doesn't require you to go through it linearly, and can be freely jumped around as you come across questions while using Audacity. I wanted to design it so anybody can jump in, learn what they need, and get out. That being said, you'll learn the most by going through each lecture. And because Audacity is still in development, and I still get new questions all the time, I might also continue to add new videos. Therefore, I encourage you to subscribe, and check the full Audacity training playlist, which I'll link to in the description. If you have any questions throughout this course, please leave a comment and let me know. I'll try to get back to all of them as quickly as possible, and if there are a lot of questions about something, I'll make a video adding it to the course. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, before you go, be sure to grab my audio editing cheat sheet, which I'll link down in the description. For more Audacity tutorials, click this playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.